Welcome to our comprehensive guide on starting your own IPTV business from scratch. First, let's understand what IPTV actually is and how it works for businesses. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, delivering content over the internet instead of cables. Next, we'll dive into the equipment you'll need to set up your IPTV service efficiently. Make sure to research and select a reliable IPTV content provider to source your channels. This is where our sponsor, www.2tv.store, comes highly recommended for their excellent services. Licensing your content is crucial to operate legally and avoid any potential copyright issues. Next, let's explore the types of subscription models you can implement for your customers. Choosing the right marketing strategy is key to attracting your target audience effectively. Consider using social media, blogs, and video content to promote your IPTV service and brand. Customer support should be a priority. Ensure you're available to resolve any issues quickly. User experience is critical. Investing in a user-friendly interface will keep viewers happy. Start small, test your services, gather user feedback, and iterate on your offerings accordingly. Once you've established your base, start scaling the business to reach more customers. Building strong relationships with your clients leads to loyalty and more referrals in the long run. As you grow, always stay updated with IPTV trends. Adaptability is key in this industry. Thank you for watching. Now start your own IPTV journey and subscribe for more tips.